Don't make me try. Don't make me try. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. If you are new, today's video is being sponsored by LuvMe Hair. I am reviewing this beautiful bob that they sent me. This hair is so soft, y'all. Let's get straight into the details of this unit. This is their Undetectable Invisible Lace Wig, and this is a side part bob, okay? This unit is so classy and so pretty. The lace is super transparent, y'all. Oh my god. And this is styled in a glueless style, so I did not have to use any harsh sprays, any harsh glues on my forehead or my edges. It's very comfortable and it melts flawlessly without any glue. Okay, so and this is a great protective style as well. This style is so low maintenance. You can wear it every day. It's versatile. It's great for the summertime. It's just simple and it's just really chic. I love it. I'm styling it on my mannequin head because, you know, sometimes I like to do it this way. It's easier for me. But look at the shine and the luster on this unit. It's beautiful. And I told you guys the lace is transparent. I did add some of my foundation on the lace so it can match my skin tone. That's an option if you don't want to bleach the unit, but this unit is everything, you guys. I love it. I love it, especially the ends. It's very full from the root to the tip. You don't have to worry about the, look at that. It's not those stringy tips that some bobs have. I am in love with this bob, okay? So the wig comes with an elastic band in the back. I'm just showing you guys how secure you will be. All right, so let's get straight into this install. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell and check out the description box below. You may have a coupon code and the link is below to this unit. Don't make me try. Don't make me try. Don't make me try. You goes in circles round and round. You goes in circles lost and found. You goes in circles round and round. You goes in circles lost and found.
goes in circles, nothing found.